Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In the previous video tutorial, we have developed the code to make it possible that user can update the record on the front end. And now what we will do, we will bind data tables, which is the most frequent approach to present tables in commercial applications. You can easily get that data tables from by searching this plugin, and we will integrate our menu table with this to make it more interactive and usable for user. What you need to do, you need to first include this CSS and JS and then call like this. You just need to follow the same procedure as it given here. So I will see where is the layout. So here is the layout file. I'm going to use this. Simply I will add that here. First we have the CSS, so I will add script link part here. Link have this and relation style sheet type CSS and text. So this is the style sheet. Now we will add the script. Copy this code, paste it here, copy the URL and then replace with this. And now what we need to do, we need to call this function. How? First, see our menu table, which is this. So we have given an ID to it. Give ID and say that menu table. So this is the ID. Now when the DOM is get executed, we will call this. So in the location, when DOM get ready, we can execute that. But when we will execute that, you will see that when we are rendering our table, here is table is rendering, and render that in here, and after rendering this we will call that menu table get converted into data tables. So now refresh this and let's see the effect which happened. You just simply need to include the libraries and follow the procedure of data table, which is explained in their documentation. If any kind of error happen, you can easily consult to the data tables official website to get the rapid solution without googling it. So here you can observe how it's represented, and here is it. Okay, there is another thing, which is that you need to go to the examples and get the bootstrap which will be compatible according to your requirements. Like here we are using this table, but I think so it is not compatible. We need to use the display attribute and width attribute along with this. So in the 0 configuration you can view the basic data table concept. Here is the JavaScript which we have already designed, and here is the HTML having the class display and width. So we need to copy this, and here just need to copy this and paste here, add display class here, and now you will see the effect like a magic. Now refresh this and it will render the data table perfectly. If you have a time, then you can research more on the bootstrap. Like this you can view how it's representing. Right now we have 9 records. If you have more than 10 records, you have pages, and each page will show 10 records. So we don't need the entries and search, so we will disable that. But how we can disable that? You need to go to the advanced initializations, and from here you will search setting defaults, which you can do something like this. So when I will initialize the data table, I don't want searching and ordering. Okay, so this is order, which I don't need, and this is search, which I don't need. And now refresh it and let's see what happened. By using and integrated these kind of plugins, your application get more attractive and usable. Now we need to disable this. Okay, so there is also an example here in which they have explained how you can do that, like page length option, and you need to make it false to hide that page length. Okay, it is rendering. Okay, so now you can see that how it's look alike. Okay, everything working fine, and just the layout is get changed. It is very helpful for us because in the upcoming video tutorials, in the whole application we are going to use data tables to entertain our tabular data. Okay, here you can see how you can change the length, but you can also make it off. Like see, here is a feature enable disable. Okay, let's see what are the features available. Information, which is available in the bottom. Okay, and paging, which is this, and now we need to make it disable this. And here we have a code which is length change option, and now make it refresh and you will see it is get varnish, and it will give us the pretty look. Okay, right after implementing this, we need to work with our default code, like it is working, and subscribe one, click save, and it's working, and refresh it. So it is done. In the next video tutorial, what we will do, we will enable our delete in the front end, and then in the next video we will delete from the back end. I hope this video tutorial is informative for you. If you have any kind of question regarding this, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. Take care, bye bye, have fun.